Hey, thanks for watching. We have a pack of Donruss Basketball 2022-23, 15 cards per pack. This came out of a blaster, and nothing's guaranteed in the blaster, but sometimes you get some good pulls, some autos or numbers, numbered cards. So let's look. No jersey. That's okay though. We'd rather not have a jersey. We'd rather look for an auto. PJ Washington Jr., Armani Brooks, TJ McConnell, Joe Harris, LaMelo Ball, Scotty Barnes, Gallinari, Spencer Dinwiddie, Josh Giddey, Zaire Williams. I'm going to skip those couple and go to the rookies. There we go. Franchise features: Anthony Edwards, Walker Kessler, Ron Rollins, and then the last two were Spencer Clark, Brandon Clark, sorry. And last one, we got a Fred VanVleet parallel. Not numbered though. These cards look like they're supposed to be numbered. That's how the old ones, the earlier models were. These were numbered, but these aren't. But that's okay. All right, thanks for watching, folks. Have a great day.